First warning sign, a support message says your account, device, bank profile, cloud storage, social media page, or business login is in danger, and it pushes you to click a link, scan a QR code, share a one-time code, approve an MFA prompt, pay a fee, or install remote access software. The immediate protective action is to stop and contact the company through an official app, website, or phone number you find yourself. Today's global awareness briefing is about AI-assisted support imposter scams, fake help desks, fake account recovery, fake security alerts, credential theft, and remote access fraud. The defensive source picture is consistent. The FBI Internet Crime Complaint Center has warned that criminals use generative AI to create realistic text, images, audio, and video for financial fraud and impersonation. The FTC warns that tech support scammers pretend to be well-known companies, create fear about a computer or account problem, and try to get money, information, or access. FTC scam guidance points to the same core signals: impersonation, urgency, unusual payment, and pressure to use the path the scammer provides. Microsoft's support scam guidance also reminds users that legitimate companies do not make unsolicited contact to request personal or financial information or provide unexpected technical support. What do victims see? A message may look like an account security alert, failed payment notice, copyright warning, virus warning, package problem, business page violation, cloud storage lockout, bank fraud alert, subscription renewal, crypto wallet problem, or workplace help desk ticket. It may arrive by email, text message, phone call, search ad, chat message, social media direct message, calendar invite, pop-up, or messaging app. It may use a familiar logo, a display name that looks official, and polished writing that does not have obvious grammar mistakes. AI can make the message sound calm, local, professional, and personalized. The scam becomes dangerous when the message changes from information to action. You may be told to click a link to keep access, scan a QR code to verify, enter a password on a lookalike page, share a one-time code, approve an authenticator request, turn off security settings, download a remote support tool, call a number on the screen, buy gift cards, pay crypto, wire money, or move funds to a safe account. For businesses, the request may target admins, creators, finance teams, help desk workers, or customer support staff. For individuals, it may target email, banking, social media, messaging, shopping, or cloud accounts. Why does AI make this harder to spot? AI can rewrite awkward phishing into convincing customer service language. It can translate a scam into fluent English or another local language. It can summarize public information about a company, creator, or employee and then tailor the warning. It can generate realistic images for fake security notices or fake support avatars. It can help maintain a conversation that feels responsive. But AI does not change the defensive rule. If the contact is unexpected and asks for credentials, codes, payments, security changes, or remote access, treat it as unverified until you confirm through a separate official channel. Here are the warning signs. 1. Urgency, such as your account will close today, your page will be deleted, your device is infected, your payment failed, or your funds must be moved now. 2. A route you did not choose, such as a link, QR code, callback number, private chat, shortened URL, or attachment inside the message. 3. Credential or identity requests, including passwords, recovery codes, one-time codes, authenticator approvals, ID documents, or selfies. 4. Remote access or security downgrades, including requests to install tools, share your screen, disable antivirus, or ignore browser warnings. 5. Unusual payments, including gift cards, crypto, wire transfers, payment apps, or refund overpayment stories. 6. Resistance when you say you will verify through the official app or website. Safe verification is simple but must be independent. Do not click the link in the alert. Open the official app from your device, type the known website address yourself, use a saved bookmark, or call a number from an official statement or the back of your card. For workplace requests, use the internal service desk portal, company directory, ticketing system, or approved escalation channel. Check the exact domain, not just the logo. Be careful with QR codes because they hide the destination until after scanning. A real provider can wait while you verify. A real security team should welcome a second channel check. Protect accounts before there is an incident. Use strong unique passwords in a password manager. Turn on multi-factor authentication, preferably phishing-resistant MFA where available. Keep recovery email and phone numbers current. Review account activity and sign-in alerts. Limit admin rights. Train family members and teams that one-time codes are never support passwords. For businesses, require out-of-band verification before account recovery, payment changes, privileged support sessions, and changes to MFA devices. Monitor for lookalike domains and fake support profiles that impersonate your brand. If you already engaged, respond quickly. If you entered a password, change it from a trusted device, revoke sessions, and reset multi-factor authentication. If you shared a one-time code or approved a prompt, assume the account may be compromised and review activity. If you installed remote access software, disconnect from the network, remove the tool, scan the device, and get trusted help. If money moved, contact the payment provider through official contact paths immediately. Save evidence, messages, links, QR images, domains, phone numbers, receipts, screenshots, account alerts, dates, times, and names used. Report the account on the platform. In the United States, report fraud to reportfraud.ftc.gov and internet-enabled crime to ic3.gov. Elsewhere, use your national cybercrime or consumer protection authority. Bottom line, AI can make a fake support alert look professional, but it cannot make an unexpected request for passwords, codes, payments, security changes, or remote access safe. Pause when a message creates urgency. Verify through a channel you choose. If the warning is real, it will still be there when you open the official app or website yourself.